Allium ampuloprasum, or Carentan leek. 1885, open pollinated. This is my second year doing it. I started sowing it in March indoors. Got them so they were little stems in the greenhouse, and then transplanted them out in various places I'm going to show you in the garden. So I've got 3 right here. It's been about 100 days. I planted them in May, and here we are sometime in September. And they're not huge like my American flags got last year, but they're pretty cool. I love this fermented leek sauce that I make. There's something about leeks that are fermented that's just, I don't know, it was one of the coolest, it was one of the best things I had. So I'm sure there's a critter in here. They're gonna jump out at me. So I'm just gonna pull and twist here. Nothing fancy to this. And there's my leeky. So they usually get about 2 inches. I don't think my soil was very loose here, to be honest with you. Also, the way this sun was coming in, where last year I was thinned out a little bit more, I don't think that they did as well. And they're well overdue. Like this one really didn't do well. This one is like a green onion. And you know, like, could I have waited and let them go? Yeah, but here's my concern, and I've done this on other years, where if I don't pull the plant when it's ready to go, this happened on for me for celery, where I was just like, you know what, I'm not ready. Instead of harvesting it like a little too early, then I ended up, this happened to me in onions last year too, exact same thing. It's like, no, and then all of a sudden they're not ready, you can't harvest them. And so I'd rather be early, get something out of it, get something out of the season, think about like next year, like, oh, I really like this still. What can I do differently? But let's go, I got all the, oh, psych, just kidding. I didn't get all the leeks. So back here, I do have some radish pods here I'm letting go to seed. So back here, I still have one more guy right here. And see, this is what happens. So that's exactly what happened when you don't pull and twist. So I kind of went in and instead of pulling, so then you don't get, so you can see right here. So instead of, you know, I'm probably gonna get, the white part is really tasty, like down to here. I just got to here, so I don't get as much, but that's what happens when you don't take your time. Now, I'm pretty sure that's all I did. I've got this cardoon here. I don't think there's another one, and you can see how the ones, that's why I think it's a sun issue, because the 2 that got to like 1 inch, I think they did a better job of getting like a little bit thicker and getting that sun, and they had like really nice leaves. But let's go check out the other ones. Okay, I've got some cover crop in here. This is my cover crop area. Still got some cardoon over here, and then you'll see these are kind of small in here. They didn't do as well on the transplant as I'd have wanted. One of them did okay though. But so that's terrible. But I'm just pulling them out now because we've got to get ready for garlic and everything else. This guy did okay. He got about 1 inch. So not it'll, again, like I just need enough for a ferment. Like the flavor will still be pretty good. Then I have one over here yet. Okay, oh, here's my other one. This one's probably the best one so far over here. See, and this soil was looser. Yeah, this one's pretty good. You know, not thick like I got last year out of the American flag. But again, I want to get a jar of leek sauce, so I'm getting closer to my goal. Over here. All right, so I got another one in this raised bed here. This one looks pretty good. There we go. Not terrible. I counted my days right too, so I'm a little disappointed. I thought I would have better success with leeks, but I didn't prioritize leeks like I did in years previously. So I'm gonna go look for some other ones, but I think I have enough for a small jar to ferment. So here's my current take. Not amazing, but not terrible. I did better with onions this year, you guys. Last year I really messed up onions, and it looks like this year is gonna be the year I messed up leeks. And I do think it's a soil thing, because when I do the garlic, I have a really good success with garlic, and that's why I thought they would do really well over there. Join me for part 2. I do the fermentation, doesn't matter how much I have. Like, this is gonna taste amazing. These young leeks are gonna taste incredible. Let's go ferment some leeks.